So we're now at Billund Lego House. I've always wanted to go here because it's the only place you can find this Lego house. It's very different from theme park, which is Lego Land. We'll go there tomorrow, but now we're going at Lego House.
As a child, one of the toys that I enjoyed playing with was Lego. And even today, I must admit that I do still love playing with these tiny little blocks together with my kids. So this next trip is a little bit more special because we will be visiting the birthplace of one of my favorite childhood toys. Hey Lego enthusiasts, welcome back to Journeying Journeys. I'm Aris, and today we're not just exploring but immersing ourselves in the Lego wonderland that is the Lego House in Billund, Denmark. Join me on this adventure together with my amazing family, Karla, Renzo, and Isla. Make sure you stick around till the end because we will share something very useful that we really didn't know about during our visit.
Where are we now?
Where are we?
We're at
Lego house!
Lego House! Ooh, look, Renzo. Look! It's a Disney mural, Renzo. One of the Disney things. Look, Renzo. This is how they make it. Our first stop is the awe-inspiring Tree of Creativity. Imagine a tree, not with leaves, but with thousands of Lego bricks as its vibrant, ever-changing foliage. This isn't just any tree. It's the heart and soul of the Lego House. The Tree of Creativity symbolizes the interconnectedness of creativity, imagination, and the endless possibilities that Lego brings to life. On top of each leaf section are different Lego creations that you will only notice, really, when you start climbing up the staircase surrounding the tree.
What do you see, Isla?
There's so many things on top of the tree. Imagine this. Towering dinosaurs made entirely of Lego. But what makes them truly remarkable is the choice of bricks. Each dinosaur is constructed using distinct Lego elements, showcasing the incredible versatility of these beloved building blocks. One is built entirely of the classic and traditional Lego blocks or Lego bricks. Another is built using Technic elements. And the third is Isla's current favorite, built entirely of DUPLO blocks. The Lego house is split between different colored zones, and the first area we visited is the red zone, the brick building section, where you can make wonderful Lego buildings. It's not just a place, it's a haven for imagination running wild. And as you'd expect, the kids gravitated towards the DUPLO waterfall. The best way I can describe it is that it is a pool of DUPLO. And if we did not have the rest of the area to explore, I'm pretty sure these two would have stayed in the area for hours. After we enjoyed playing with DUPLO, something caught Renzo's attention. Welcome to the test driver in the blue zone. This is a haven for speed demons and future racing engineers. Renzo, with his need for speed, is particularly buzzing with excitement, ready to build his ultimate Lego race car. And the best part? The area is not just for experts. It's an inclusive space where builders of any ages and skills can drive into the world of Lego racing, making it truly a family affair.
Let's go! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Isla? There's a robot!
So we've built race cars, explored imaginative play, and now we're entering the magical realm of DUPLO.
Even Isla is enjoying here, Daddy. Because she can play here with the DUPLO train. I don't think we're gonna have any nap time today. Let's see.
Welcome to the DUPLO Play Area, a haven of creativity and hands-on exploration for our young builders. Renzo and Isla are already drawn to the vibrant colors and, of course, the DUPLO trains chugging along their tracks. And boy, there are a lot of tracks in this section for Renzo to build and for Isla to break. Welcome to the Character Creator, where imagination meets customization. Renzo and Isla are eager to create their own unique Lego minifigures, each one telling a story of its own. Here, you get to choose from a variety of accessories, hairstyles, and outfits, personalizing your minifigure to reflect your own style. The character creation section is not just about creating a figure, it's about creating a character. Don't forget to take a photo of your wonderful creation and choose the style and effects to add on it as well.
How about this one? How about here?
Okay, naman is there, Isla.
Have you finished one, Renzo?
Tap. There you go. There's a picture.
You want the black shirt? I'll go find the black shirt then.
Is it nice? Thank you. Thanks for tapping, Isla.
Renzo and Isla have their director hats on because in this space, we're diving into the art of stop-motion animation. Using Lego bricks and a bit of movie magic, you can create your own stop-motion animation. The Story Lab provides all the equipment you need, from cameras to backdrops, to turn your Lego creations into animated stories. It's a hands-on experience that turns you into the director of your own brick-built blockbuster.
Story Lab. That was amazing.
Story Lab.
I mean, I'm really impressed, and I think the guy said that it automatically downloads your movie. So when you get home, you just go to their website and then you download Lego Memories, and all of what you've done here will be captured there. So you see the terminals that we've accessed using our wristbands to take photos, to do kind of minifigure pictures, and then this story. You can all download it there. Isn't it amazing?
That's amazing.
Really impressed.
And our next stop is Mood Mixer. This interactive space invites us to explore a spectrum of feelings using, you guessed it, Lego bricks. Renzo and Isla are ready to build their expressions one brick at a time. And here's a special twist. The Mood Mixer isn't just about personal expression, it's a shared experience. A collaborative space where families can come together to create a vibrant mosaic of emotions. Renzo and Isla are adding their bricks to a larger canvas of feelings.
Oh, is that Renzo's one?
That's mine.
What's
Why-
yours?
Why am I with you?
You're with Daddy.
Why am I with you? Why am I with you?
Right beside Mood Mixer is Fish Designer. And as you guessed it, it's about designing fish. And it's a really simple concept. You create a flat design for how your fish looks like, bring it over to one of the scanning areas, add some digital features, then your fishy friend joined everyone else's in a very big giant fish tank.
There's the Renzo fish.
The Renzo fish.
Nice, you see it? It's the Renzo fish.
The Renzo fish.
Now, an area you shouldn't miss is the History Collection. It's located in the basement of the Lego house. This is a place where past and present of Lego come together. From the classic Lego castle to the iconic Lego space sets, city and airports, every brick here has a story. And it's a story that me and Karla have been a part of, since these were the sets that we had and grew up building with. As we walk through this historical journey, we're reminded that Lego isn't just a toy. It's a timeless companion that has grown with us, adapted to our imaginations, and continues to inspire generations. It's a legacy built brick by brick. Before you leave the experience zone, don't forget to pass by the 6-brick printing machine. And as you guessed it, you get a free set of 6 bricks and an ID from the wall. It's amazing that you're able to actually see one of the ways Lego is actually made and packaged. On top of that, you get a newly created set for free. What's really nice about this is it just presents you the different options, because with just 6 bricks, you can create millions of different combinations, and the ID you get presents you with just one of the different possibilities. And I did promise one very important tip. If you are planning to go to the Lego house, you will be given a wristband that acts as a contactless device. As you go around the different zones, make sure you watch out for the different areas where you can tap your wristband and save the memories for each zone. We found this to be important because you can get recordings from everything you did in the Lego house downloaded after your trip by just having the wristband and either your ticket or the 6-brick ID card. And best of all, it's free! We actually realized that while we did go into a lot of the experiences, that we missed a few more and were not able to tap into some of them. So do keep an eye out for these in each of the zones. And with that, our time at the Lego house comes to a close. If you've enjoyed this brick-filled experience, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite Lego memories, and as always, hit that subscribe button for more adventures. Until next time, keep building, keep exploring, and stay awesome.